Why do you tolerate things you can avoid? From people, from bad business decisions, from relationships, from feeling self-neglect, whatever it is. Why do you tolerate things that you can avoid? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So today's video is all about understanding why you may particularly be tolerating things that you can avoid. Why do you tolerate people that mistreat you? Why do you tolerate being neglected? Why do you tolerate being avoided? Why do you put yourself in a situation where you're accepting more than your worth? You have to know that you're worth more than these things. You may have gone through a traumatic past. You may not have had a great upbringing. You may not be very secure within yourself. You may not be, whatever the situation is, whatever the catalyst is for you, you have to face it head on. If you had a traumatic childhood where you felt neglected, so you somehow now feel like it's what you deserve, or you grew up in a family where you felt like you were never good enough, so you accept people telling you that you're not good enough, it's time for a change. You don't have to tolerate the things that you're not happy with. If you don't like how somebody's treating you, tell them. If you don't like how somebody's behaving towards you, tell them and leave. You're not stuck down to a situation. If you're not happy within your relationship, it's better to leave than tolerate the mistreatment, because it's only going to get worse. If you're not happy in your job, leave, because it's not going to become any better. It's better for you to have general well-being than be in a place where you're so you have to choose yourself. Do not tolerate things that you can avoid. You have to unlearn all those habits, whether it be you grew up being mistreated, so the only way you know how to love is when someone's mistreating you, or maybe you're lacking self-confidence, and the minute somebody gives you one compliment but they disrespect you in 100 different ways, you find excuses for them. Or maybe you're even constantly trying to fix other people. You don't have the confidence and the willpower to fix your internal situations, to fix your internal scar. Don't let the picture that was set out for you be the reason why you tolerate things. You know what your morals are, and if you feel like you're being disrespected, if you feel like you're not being treated the way you should be, if you feel like people are taking advantage and they don't see you as worthy, you don't have to tolerate those situations. Do not stay in situations just because of the very small benefits that you're getting from them, just because you feel like you can't get any better. There's always a bigger and better opportunities, just as long as you work on yourself first. Get your self-confidence, know your self-worth, know that you don't have to tolerate things that you don't want to, and stand your ground. Okay, don't let people take advantage of you because you're scared to speak up. Use your voice. Tell people when you're not happy. Tell people when they're neglecting you. Tell people when they're mistreating you. Don't just suffer in silence. Okay guys, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.